Aloha everyone, it's Lynn with iHula Hawaii, bringing the hula of Hawaii to you. In today's video, we are going to learn another basic hula step called the Lele Uwehe. This hula step is going to be used in the next hula series that we'll be starting on next week. So I want to make sure that you've learned the Lele Uwehe before we begin. Now, in order to do the Lele Uwehe, you have to know how to do the basic Uwehe. If you need to learn that, I'll go ahead and link that video below. And once you're comfortable with the Uwehe, come back and join us to learn the Lele Uwehe. If you've already learned the Uwehe, let's go ahead and take a look at what this basic hula step is. Now, the Lele Uwehe combines both the Uwehe and the Lele. We're going to step with our right foot, bring the left foot to a hela position, bring your left foot back into the position beside your right foot, and then Uwehe. We will be doing this on alternating sides. If you're ready, let's go step by step slowly to learn the Lele Uwehe. Starting with feet slightly apart, knees bent, we are going to step to the right, hela left, bring your left foot back, and Uwehe. Other side, step left, hela right, bring your right foot back, and Uwehe. Step right, hela left, bring left back, and Uwehe. Step left, hela right, bring right back, and Uwehe. Let's go a little faster, and right, hela left, back, Uwehe. Left, hela right, back, Uwehe. Right, hela left, back, Uwehe. Left, hela right, back, and Uwehe. Now let's practice the Lele Uwehe right and left with the beat of the ipu. Mahalo for tuning in today with iHula Hawaii. Now that you have learned the Lele Uwehe, will you be back next week to join me in putting the Lele Uwehe into a brand new hula? I'd love to hear a comment from you, so leave me one below. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so and click on the bell so that next video comes right into your inbox. I'd love for you to share my channel with others and give a thumbs up if you've enjoyed this one. Until we see each other again next time for more hula, a hui ho, and aloha.